In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Google AdSense to Squarespace. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna take you on a step-by-step guide to add Google AdSense to your Squarespace website. So first, you have to start the process through Google AdSense itself. If you haven't already signed up to use the service, go ahead and create an account here. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process, which sadly I cannot display on screen, and once this is done, you will be able to choose the option to add a site to your AdSense account. After you add your site on your Google AdSense account, you will be provided with an AdSense code. This is the code that you will be injecting into Squarespace to properly add Google AdSense to your Squarespace website. So now you have to finish the process on your Squarespace website itself. Go over to Squarespace, go over to a specific website's dashboard, and now click on the settings icon at the bottom left. In here, use the search function at the top and look for code injection. As you can see, inject HTML into the general header or footer areas of your site's markup. And this is all you have to do. You will have to inject the code provided by Google AdSense, which I cannot display on screen, on the header. As you can see, this is going to be a premium subscription required feature. So if you are using the trial version just like I am, you won't be able to access this, but immediately upon choosing the header option, you will be able to paste the code that you acquired from Google AdSense, and it is going to be added into your page. An example would be just like this code block here. So you will essentially be able to paste the code that you acquired from Google AdSense into a place similar to this one, and once it is placed in the header of your website, Google AdSense will be integrated successfully. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Google AdSense to Squarespace. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.